Some common question. ¿Quieres ir a tomar un café? This question is used if you want to date someone, if you want to know someone better, you're interested in knowing this special person, you can go to a coffee shop, of course. And the way to ask them out is like this, specifically to a coffee shop. ¿Quieres ir a tomar un café? ¿Quieres ir a tomar un café? And this means, do you wanna go for a coffee? This is the translation. Do you wanna grab a coffee? Do you wanna just go for a coffee? This is the way to ask for that. ¿Quieres ir a tomar un café? ¿Quieres means do you want or would you like? Okay, similar to that. Would you like or do you want? The literal translation is do you want, but it's similar to saying would you like. Ir. ¿Quieres? Do you want? Ir. To go. Okay. Do you want to go? Ir a, remember that ir and a work together really well. You say ir and then a and then the destination. In this case, it's an action, but it also works fine. Tomar. Tomar. To drink. Do you want to drink a coffee? That's a cup of coffee. That's or do you want to drink coffee? This is, I know the literal translation is not, it makes sense, but it's very direct. But this is a very common way to ask someone out, to go to grab some coffee or go for a coffee. So tomar, to drink, to take, but in this situation, to drink a café. Coffee. So essentially, tomar, there's no it doesn't have it here, to drink coffee. ¿Quieres ir a tomar un café? Do you want to drink a cup of coffee? That's what you're asking. Similar to saying, do you want to go for a coffee? So this is a very common question. Very common question. And respuesta means answer, of course. Respuesta. Let's say someone can say, or you can say, me gustaría. Just let me remove this layer here. The invisible layer. Me gustaría. You can just say, me gustaría. And this means I would like to. I would like to. Obviously, you can say yes, sí, me gustaría. Yes, I would like to. And you can say that, or you may hear that if you ask the question. ¿Quieres ir a tomar un café? If it's the opposite, that would be no. No gracias. You can say that. No gracias. No thank you. Similar to saying no thank you. It's the literal translation. No thank you. Ouch. If someone says this to you, ouch. Ouch. But it's a polite way to say no gracias. Obviously, people might say no gracias. No tengo tiempo. Okay. No gracias. No tengo tiempo. No thank you. I don't have time. That's what you're saying. I have no time. Okay. I have no time. No tengo tiempo. So you can add more, of course, to no gracias. Or someone very directly can say no quiero. No gracias, no quiero. No thank you, I don't want to. Okay. I mean, that's kind of rude, a little rude, but you said thank you. So I guess that's fine. That's a great question. If you want to answer this question right now in Spanish or in English, you can do that. But let me know. You can use the live chat for that. Another answer might be cuando. This is a good answer. When. Okay. Cuando. Cuando. When. Right? Or if you want to add more to it, cuando quieres. Cuando quieres. When would you like to? Okay. Cuando quieres. Cuando quieres. When would you like to? Okay. Or to go to get some coffee. You can also see or you can hear just vamos. Okay, okay. People say that in Spanish a lot. Okay. That means, you know what it means. Okay means okay. Okay, vamos. Okay. Okay, vamos. And that means okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Vamos is a very common expression to say let's go. It can be used, if you want to, if you're cheering, you can say that, hey, vamos, vamos, let's go. Let's go. And by the way, I'm just double checking something. Let's go, vamos, let's go. Or you can, or it means also let's go literally, let's go somewhere, right? Let's go have the coffee right now. Okay. So there's many different ways. There are many different ways to answer this question, but these are common ones, short ones, common ones that you can use or you may hear from people in Spanish.